and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. It was just the day for a game of hide and seek. Shh, shh. Things couldn't be better.
Hello?
It's Joe. And he's brought Morris with him. Ebb liked Flo's cousin Joe, but didn't like Morris much. And Ma says we can have tea up on deck when we get back. Where's Ebb? She was here a minute ago. Ebb! Where could she be? Oh, gotcha. Come on, Ebb. We're going for a walk before tea. Morris wasn't exactly horrible. It was just that he was so much better at games than Ebb, and he knew it. Morris, stay. Fetch! Oh, thank you, Morris. Go on, Ebb. Fetch. Oh, Ebb. Things couldn't be worse. Oh, Morris, do stop showing off. Oh, Morris, I wish you could be a bit more like Ebb. Ebb's just so chilled out. Oh, Ebb. Night, Ebb.